How to integrate Trivia game plugin from LiveReacting into xSplit. First, you access your Trivia game in the LiveReacting Studio and click on Settings. Connect your social account, scroll down a little and make a tick next to the plugin mode. Then you just copy the generated link and click Save. Now go to xSplit, click on Add Source button at the bottom, choose Web Page, paste the copied link in the URL field and click OK. Make sure to launch your stream via xSplit, go back to your project in the LiveReacting Studio and press Start to launch your Trivia. Now go back to xSplit again and you can see that the Trivia game is successfully integrated in your stream.